Hello friends, myself Ayush Kumar. So here we are having assignment which is based upon a 23 multi-story building design. So in this assignment we are analyzing the foundation of the building in safe software. So this assignment is under the Sky 5 Lab course, online course. So here we have designed it. All the side columns are of 500 into 500 dimensions. So now we have provided axial loads on the columns. As we can see, the live load and the dead load on every column is different. On the every column different. So now we will go to for run analysis. So after running the analysis, here we having the we can have the result which describes the settlement at any point in the in the footings. So corresponding to the skill, we can also, or either by moving the cursor on the diagram on the menu, we can also have like this. Here we are having of 3.657 settlement, which is very negligible. Now we go to run analysis and design. Click on display and show the punching shear design. So here we can see the most of the point places we are having the punching ratio is more than 1. So we have to change the thickness of the slab. So we have to unlock the model, click on OK, define, go to slab properties, mat footing, and just to try to change 500 to 900 click on OK, click on OK. Again run analysis. We have to wait. Again we have to go for an analysis and design. Click on display. So punching shear design. So again we are having that one this three at this 3 point we are having punching ratio greater than 1. So again we have to change the thickness of the slab. Click on OK, define, to slab properties, mat footing, and suppose we are using 1200 click on OK, OK, run. We have to run, the analysis. Analysis and design, then display, show punching. So now we are having all the values less than 1. So our design, so we can go for this design of this slab. So now go to design, so strip forces. So dead load we apply. So if we on the strip, we can having this type of forces we can see here, or slightly changing the load combination, moment, shear. Suppose we want to know the shear forces, so we have apply. So this is the shear force at any point we can have on the strip. For the layer B, click apply. So in this way manner we have this, click close. So for the extruded view, you can could click this, go to 3D. So this is our extruded view. Click OK, this to XY plane, display. So slab forces and design. So for the slab forces, we can on the slab click on any moment, load combination or something, or we can go for the load cases, that is live or dead load. Here we are going for the load combination 1. Click on apply. So here we are having the values of the maximum moment on the slab. In the same way we have the various types of options here, force maximum, and we can go for any another. So click on display. So slab design. So for the slab design, we have to click just impose the minimum reinforcement, and for the layer A, click on apply. So this is the value of the reinforcement detailing in the strip A. Similarly for the strip B, click on apply. So in the strip A, we are having this much of reinforcement at each. By moving the cursor, we have the values. Click on apply, close, close. So now we have to detailing. Now we will just try to check the crack width. So in this crack we also have the various option, date or live dot or the combinations. Click and apply. So in this diagram we have the values of the crack width with respect to the scale. Click close. So now we go to detailing option. So run detailing. Click on OK. So this is the drawing set which got generated for the component views, slab views, individual slab views, mat 1. For the rebar plan, this is the rebar diagram. For the top rebar plan, we have this is the diagram. And for the bottom layer, top layer, for the sectional view in the both of the sections, section 1 and section 2, that is both of the sides. Enforcement profile for the strips A and the reformer profile for the strips B. We have this much values, and we can also have the drawing sheet, but as these are the values, we have the cover note, but we are having the license, we are not having the license, we are using evolution version. So list of the drawings, we have this much quantities, and many thing else, rebar shape codes, etc. Many things we can have. And for the peel we can also have framing plan. This is the framing plan, the distance between all the grids. We can have bill of quantities, rebar table of each bar mark, diameter, which diameter of the, and the shape code, cut length, everything. And rebar schedule, that is the rebar schedule, the how much length of each of the bar diameter, and the bill of quantities. We can, in this way we can have all the values. So in this way our foundation design is complete. Thank you so much for the course. I'm very thankful to the Skyfi Labs team members to while helping me in this completion of this course. Thank you.